Dude, you really can't talk. Jose, you mind if I steal a few questions from you? You mind if I steal a few questions from you?
No.
Check.
Are you a TMZ?
I am not, but I do sell the TMZ. All right, Jose, listen, honestly, look, I'm a huge fan, right? Seriously. Do you have any, yeah, right in there you go, buddy, there you go. Do you have any satisfaction, any whatsoever from what's going on in baseball right now? Everyone was lying, everyone was fibbing. Jose Canseco was the only one telling the truth.
No satisfaction is a sad story. It really is.
It is a sad story.
It's a very sad story.
How do you feel about A-Rod? Do you think there should be an asterisk next to any of his records? I mean, eventually he may break the all-time home run record.
He should. There shouldn't be an asterisk. I mean, the guy's, when it's all said and done, they're going to be worth probably close to $750 million. It's just the way it works sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think? I mean, anything else? Anything else to say? I mean, it is a sad story. I'm a huge baseball fan. I grew up watching you, like, you know, 40-40, 1988.
It's a very sad story because I had to do what I had to do to prove, you know, what happened in my life, why I was blackballed from baseball. And the only way I could have done it was, you know, by putting in these players and telling my true story. But we're working on a movie to the book. So
who's next? Who do you think? A-Rod was outed.
No more players. Owners and the establishment.
Who do you think? Which owners?
All of them.
Can I ask you one more question? Hold on the window. Hold on the window. Sorry. One more. Come on. Roll it down, Jose. One more. Come on, buddy. One more? Anything? Nothing? Still a fan. It's a good thing for baseball. There you go.